What's going on, guys? Matthew here, and today we are back in another video, and today we are playing Natural Disaster Survival. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated, and yeah. So, we are playing Natural Disaster Survival. Yep, got that. It's a weird noise it made. Alright. So now I got a balloon, and I also have an apple. It makes a really funny noise. Like, look, it sounds like you like loading a gun when you eat it. Look. I don't know. To me, it sounds like someone loading a gun, but I don't know. Let's see here. Not even on the leaderboard. I feel so ashamed. How am I not on the leaderboard? Wait. There we go. Now I'm on the leaderboard. I think I have like I have 59 survivals. Yeet. Oh, yeet, 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 yeet. Alright. One thing I love to do, I like to drive these into the water. So, bruh, you want to move yours? Or something? Like, can you, like, move? Alright. Ready? Ah! Oh, 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 oh. Alright. I did it. I did it. I think I want to do this one too. Oh, get wrecked. Get wrecked. I beat you to it. Oh! I didn't exactly do it. No. Oh no, it's a blizzard. We're all gonna die. Ooh, I know where I can go. I'm gonna seek warmth. Those people out there are gonna die. They're gonna die. How is it cold in here? Oh, 'cause of that. There we go. Ah! Um, uh, I'm going over here. Alright, I think I'm good. Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah! I'm out in the open! No, give me somewhere where it's not cold. I want... Help me. Ah! I'm going under here. I think it's cool under here. It might be nice down here. Yes. Yummy. Alright. Alright, well. uh, just, Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright. Can I go all the way? Yes. No! Ooh! I almost just ate it right there. Ah! Yes. Ooh! No, I can't do this. This can't happen. No, I can't get up there like this. Fire, keep distance. This map always has a fire. Man. Ah! Wait, is the fire right here? Is the fire literally like, where is the fire? Oh my gosh, I'm so high up in the clouds. How did I had a balloon out? I guess you still take fall damage from a balloon. Lesson learned. Everyone, I want a new trend to start in the comments. R.I.P. Farmer Tree. Everyone put R.I.P. Farmer Tree. That will be the best. Ooh. Oh, rip. Rip, 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 rip. I feel so sad right now. Like, oh. My whole town burnt down. Imagine if I was still on that. Ooh, that would have been bad. That house is basically halfway on fire. So that's my barn. My barn is halfway on fire. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. R.I.P. barn. We'll always remember you. Remember the barn. Alright. Well, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, 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 swimming. Ah, ah. Alright, I'm dead. I'm dead. Party palace! Look, when you want to skip the ticket booth. Yeah, can I get one ticket? Thank you. It's like pro skills. See, if you have a balloon, what you can always do is you can just, instead of having to climb them up, you can just ride them. Look, ready? Oh no. Oh wait, ah. No, I don't want to sit down on these. So you just ride it. No. Ah. Don't like to go over to die. Ah. I need the apple. Alright, there we go. I'm going inside my house. I call this my house because it is. Alright, well, I don't know what to do. I'm just stuck in here. There's nothing to do. Alright, well. Sir? Sir, can I help you? I can't help this man. He's a goner. Oh, this is like a once in a lifetime thing. When you go to the Ferris, or no, not the Ferris. I forgot what this is called. Oh, there's a bacon hair riding it. Oh my gosh, face down. Sir, you need help? Just CPR. Wait, I should write that in chat. Wait. Does CPR on bacon. Wait, bacon hair. Why? I'm horrible at typing. Bacon hair. Does CPR on bacon hair. Wait, I was supposed to put another. Oh my god. I wish it would show what you're saying, like right on top of your character. Sadly, it doesn't. Oh my gosh. And guys, I wanted to tell you actually, this isn't my first account on Roblox. I know a lot of you probably didn't know that. I did have an account before this. I made it in about 2000, I think like October of 2016. I'll put its name down in the description below. Or I'll just say it right now. It's Aspiring Cool Man Cool. Okay. I only meant to put the name as Cool Man Cool because back then, I mean, really, like, I had no taste for what name I was gonna put. But then, like, it was already in use, so I put it. I put it as oh my god. I put it as that, but I didn't notice it was in use already. So what I did was when I got into my account, literally like my balloon popped. What? I never knew that can happen. All right, well, I had an account I made, and then I didn't play for like a month and a half, and then I came back and I needed my password. But me, being the kind of person that didn't do that, I forgot my password. Then I wasn't even paying attention to my password, so I never got back into that account. But that account actually is still on Roblox. But that account actually looks a lot like this one. I really like that account too. That's a good account. Alright, well, not a lot. But that was really the story. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!